man. Haven't ridden this so long. This seems so odd. This is crazy. All right, let's go. Oh my God. Nothing like being in Florida. Like, this is crazy to be able to ride all year round and not actually physically see a winter or feel what winter really is about. It's crazy. I'm so jealous. This is crazy. I could get used to this. Good morning and welcome to Racing Mindset, where your mind is always racing. This is another day, the third day actually of Florida. It's been quite an adventure. The first day, pretty much on the road, picking up material, parts, supplies, things of that nature. And then second day was testing, tuning, get everything shopped, get everything fixed and repaired. Now, today is the day. So we on our way to a spot. We were supposed to be there at 9. Super, don't kill us. But we on our way, and let the show begin. That 5-blade, that thing look good. Been blinking at me for quite some time. Please let me make it to the gas station. Okay, that's not a good sign. I still need gas. It's going to be an interesting morning. Oh. What's going on?
It's supposed to take a second.
Okay.
Spun the trucks around.
Okay.
But now big truck is stuck, so it's gonna take a little bit longer.
Okay.
So we might have y'all spin around, or we're gonna see what's gonna happen here in the next minute.
Yeah, I may not make it up. My gas light on. I was trying to make it to the gas station.
Yeah.
I just have to wait it out or something.
Give me like 30 seconds. I'll come back and I'll see.
All right, appreciate it.
Right there. Yeah, we're gonna go block it off down there.
Yeah, let the bike go. You better run out of gas.
Just let the cars come past us here. Right.
All right, thanks. Appreciate it.
What happened? A truck went in the ditch? Yeah, some trucks in there, all the way in there.
Gee.
I think a tire blew out.
I appreciate it. Oh, looks like I'm going to make it. Looks like there's a few Harleys. I don't see our crew. Oh, there they go. There they go. We off to a... Oh, Lord. Really? We still gonna claim a good day. Let me say hi to the fellas real quick. You got Mons, BMW. Stock, wheelbase BMW. This is nice. Hugger, the disc. That thing looks good. You got Super H2. Yeah, I've seen that before. 2 H2s. One of them looks like Manny. What's up? There you go. There's me. This you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I see you got it cleaned up. Morning. My G. What's going on? My man. What's up? You made it. That's what's up. How's everything? Man, I got dogged the other day on that Harley, man. Man, I'm gonna have to go back and do something now. Today's lineup, we got the Honda H2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 H2, 2 5 blades, BMWs, booster. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a good day. Everybody's H2 was nicely set up. This is the H2 that won first place out Vegas. Drop a comment below. What's the best H2 that's out here? This thing is beautiful, man. Going down the street. Man, I still can't get what the single dual disc is, bro. One rotor. That's a lot of confidence you gotta have to do that. I think you about to do a hit. Sheesh. That's super, y'all. My man has carbon everything. Carbon tank, carbon front, carbon side. Dope looking bike. I didn't get a chance to test yesterday, so today's my only day to test. Hopefully everything is good. I won't be able to retune today. It's too early. Woo. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay. What's up? Hey, that booster looking good, man.
I likewise, man.
Yeah. What's up?
LC pipe with the tank. Yeah. You can't even tell us in low pro mode.
Yeah, nah, it's crazy. The whole bike is carbon, bro. It's crazy. Like the boost, rims, carbon, everything. Everything. Looks good. Not sure who this is, but we go. Ooh. That's a distance. Oh my God. I'm telling you, man, that camera on his helmet held him back. Feel like we got a lineup, side boogie versus bike and mine. Sheesh. Close view of these bikes together. Booster beamers and bike in mine. Look at all this carbon. Sandco hoses, the M rims, carbon on Pirellis. Yeah, this thing is nice. So I gotta head back to the shop. My clutch is gone. That's what happens sometimes, you know. Good days, you got bad days. But most of the time, you won't figure it out till you get out here and start testing. There were some good races today, though, but not for me. Maybe we can figure something out before tomorrow. Check you later.